Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on PHP Object-Oriented Programming, specifically focusing on design patterns. Today we will explore the factory pattern. This pattern helps simplify object creation in your code. So, what exactly is the factory pattern? It is a creational design pattern that provides an interface for creating objects without specifying their exact classes. Think of it as a factory that produces different objects based on your needs. Instead of directly creating objects with the new keyword, you ask the factory to create them for you. In the visual, the factory box at the top can produce objects A, B, and C depending on what you need. Why should you use the factory pattern in your projects? First, it promotes loose coupling, which means it decouples object creation from the client code. This makes your code more flexible and easier to maintain. Second, it allows for easy extension. You can add new object types without modifying the existing code. It simplifies the process of adding new functionalities. Let's look at a simple example of the factory pattern in PHP. Here we have a class called VehicleFactory. It has a static method called create, which takes a type as an argument. Inside this method, a switch statement checks the type. If the type is car, it returns a new car object. If the type is bike, it returns a new bike object. On the right, the factory visual shows how the factory produces a car or a bike depending on the input. Now let's define the product classes, car and bike. The car class has methods like start and drive. The start method returns the string, car engine started. The drive method returns the string, driving car. Similarly, the bike class has methods like start and ride. The start method returns the string, bike started. The ride method returns the string, riding bike. Here's how we use the factory in our client code. First, we create objects using the factory. We create a car object by calling VehicleFactory create with the argument car, and a bike object by calling VehicleFactory create with the argument bike. Then we use the objects. We echo car start and bike start. The flow diagram shows the steps involved. First, you call factory create. Second, the factory decides which class to instantiate. Third, it returns the specific object. Finally, the object is ready to use. Let's recap the benefits of using the factory pattern. First, it provides encapsulation, hiding the object creation complexity from the client. Second, it promotes single responsibility, as the factory handles only object creation logic. Third, it offers flexibility, making it easy to modify or extend object creation. Finally, it enables code reusability, centralizing the creation logic for consistency. In summary, the factory pattern provides a clean interface for creating objects without exposing instantiation logic to clients. It promotes loose coupling and makes code more maintainable. The factory takes the responsibility of creating the objects like car, bike, or scooter and provides it to the user. It's a valuable tool for managing object creation in your PHP Object-Oriented Programming projects. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.